Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today I will cover the step-by-step guide on how to form an LLC, the steps to get started, and important requirements to get your business up and running. If you'd rather have someone else handle the complex process for you, skip ahead to the end of this video. I'll be sharing a special offer where you can form your LLC for just $39, saving you both time and money. Now let's jump right into step 1. So now, step 1. First, you'll need to decide where you want to form your LLC. Typically, this is where you'll be doing the business. Some states have lower fees and fewer regulations, making them more attractive options. However, if your LLC will be operating primarily in your home state, it's usually best to form it from there. And now, step 2. Name your LLC. Choosing a name for your LLC is crucial. Make sure it's unique and not already taken by another business in your state. You can check the availability of your desired name through your state's business database. Remember that your name must end with LLC or limited liability company. And now, step 3. Appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or service that will receive legal documents and government notices on behalf of your LLC. You can either be your own registered agent or hire professional service. If you don't want the hassle of keeping track of legal paperwork, a service like Northwest Registered Agent is highly recommended. And now, step number 4, file the Articles of Organization. Next, you'll need to file the Articles of Organization with your state. This document officially creates your LLC. It includes basic information about your business, like its name, address, and the registered agent's details. Filing fees vary by state, but typically range from $50 to $500. Here we are at step number 5, create an operating agreement. An operating agreement outlines the management structure and operational rules of your LLC. While not required in every state, it's a good idea to have one. It can prevent misunderstandings and disputes among members, especially in multi-member LLCs. If all of this sounds complicated, don't worry. Northwest Registered Agent offers a formation service for just $39 that handles everything, including the operating agreement. Click the link in the description to get started. Now, step number 6, obtain an EIN. An employer identification number is like a social security number for your business. It's needed to open a bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. You can get an EIN for free in the IRS website in just a few minutes here at irs.gov. Step number 7, comply with additional state requirements. Depending on your state, you may need to file additional forms or licenses. For example, some states require you to publish a notice of your LLC formation in a local newspaper. Make sure to check your state's specific requirements. And now, step number 8, which is to open a business bank account. Keeping your business and personal finances separate is essential for liability protection. Opening a business account using your LLC's EIN and Articles of Organization. This will make it easier to track expenses, manage cash flow, and file taxes. And now, finally, step number 9, which is to maintain your LLC. After forming your LLC, you'll need to keep it in good standing by filing annual reports and paying any required fees. Failure to do so could result in fines or even the dissolution of your LLC. And there you have it, the complete process to form an LLC from start to finish. If you want to skip all of the paperwork and have experts handle it for you, use Northwest Registered Agent for just $39. Click the link in the description to get you started. And that is basically it for today's tutorial on how you can form an LLC. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.